Everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delightful School Days 3D speech bubble in 4 minutes or less. First of all, we're going to go to a website for free icons. This is FreePic, www.freepik.com. And although this is a paid site, they do have some free elements as well. So I'm going to search for crayon doodle icon colored, and then click on the icons button there, and then choose the one you want. I think that's the one I chose. If that's the one you want, click on the down arrow and choose PNG. Do not get anything that has shadows on it or shading like that, because those will also go 3D on your finished document. I'm also going to search for speech bubble black and choose one of these. When you've got the one you want, just click on the down arrow and choose it. And click pause right now until you get those downloaded to a directory you can find them easily. Now we're going to go into Adobe Illustrator and click on open, and we'll download our speech bubble first. Click on this object to select it, and then click on Object, Group, and Object, Rasterize. And then we'll go to the Image Trace window and click on the mode Color, and then go down to the Advanced section, go to Ignore Color, and Trace. And then we'll go back up to the Object menu and choose Expand. Say OK. And then we can choose the color that we want, and I'm just going to go with a nice light blue. Now once we've got that created, we can resize it, and I'm going to make it a little bit wider so I can put more information on it, or however you want to do that. Next thing we're going to do is put in our image of the crayons. Click away from that and then click on File, and then Place. Click on your crayon icon and click Place, and you'll see it will be attached to your mouse. You can click anywhere, we'll have to resize it anyway. And then I'm going to, again, resize it, move it into my speech bubble. I'll just make it about like that. And then I'll click on my type tool, click in your document, and type School Days. Click on your selection tool, and then I'm going to go over to my character tab, and I'll choose a font that I really like, and that's called Pirate Kids. So I'll put that in there like that. And then I can move it down. I'm going to choose the color from one of these colors along here. To do that, click on the eyedropper tool here, and then click on a color that I like, and then click back on your selection tool so that eyedropper goes away. Now at this point we can make it bigger, we can rotate it, that, and then click away from it. All right, now we're ready to inflate it, make it 3D. So select everything, click on Object, Group, Object, Rasterize. Image Trace, we want our mode to be color. Make sure you ignore Color, Trace, and then go over to the 3D Materials window and click on Inflate, and then go to Materials, and I'll make it a little shinier, so increase metallic up to about 4. And then one thing I don't like is that these shadows are kind of too big. So to change that, we'll click on the Lighting tab over here on 3D Materials, and then this little circle here, we just move that a little bit to the left, and that's it. We're done. Good job. Thanks for watching.